guys, it's been a long time since I haven't posted videos. Instead, I just keep posting on posts. And also, why am I a mob? Well, it's because it's a new, I don't know, it's like a Halloween suit. It's not this one. Nor this one. It's this one. It's this one. Or you can get this for free. Oh. Today is a challenge. Let's see how many hackers can we see in team fight. So usually in team fight you can see a lot of hackers. A lot. So now we're gonna go and see if there are actually a lot of hackers in team fight. Other people usually keep for no reason. Okay. This is my first time playing in Town 3F. It seems like a normal one, I guess. It's actually not like, no, not this. Yeah, I killed. Oh, there's one. Neck with the cock. Okay. Kill this guy. I can kill him. Yeah, I killed him. Radic killed Saliva. Hey, yo, guys, what's up? This is team fight. Guys, could be just like a lot of deaths or two. Someone is a hacker. Someone here is a hacker. There's one. Or maybe it's just a jetpack. Come on. Hey! Chickenator, thank you, Chickenator. Oh, hello. What? That didn't even hit me. Okay. I'm not gonna shoot them or we both might make this. Beth. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Beep. Oh no, what the heck? Beep. Hey, yo, bro. Stop using card. There we go. Big bad disgrace. Yes. Our first kill. This is our first kill. Our second kill. No. Stop dying. Stop literally dying. I killed him. That's my third kill. 8 now. Chicken soldier. Yeah, I gotta shoot him. I'm gonna shoot chicken soldier. Shoot chicken soldier. Wait, chicken soldier is just so small. Oh no! Okay. Big problem. Hello. Bro, there's a hacker. There's one hacker. Okay. I gotta get inside your motorcycle. Wait, is it hack? Oh shoot. I'm actually stuck. I need to run. It's my life. Realize he can't stop. Let's see. He's spinning around. He's a hacker. Oh, okay. No. Oh no, my bad. Wrong one. Come on, hello, bro. I think kill one. Soldier. And kill that one. Yes. I killed it. I killed one singular soldier. I'm going to kill the soldier. Yes. The one with the gun. Yeah. Ask to kick him. Maybe that's because there's a lot of people in there. A lot of people in the team. But yep, just keep on killing me. That won't be a problem. Or I could sneak around. This is our 19th death, and they have like 23 deaths. Yes. Yes. So it's only 4 or 5 people voting for it. I'm trying to. Oh, is he going inside? Hello? Yeah, I look inside. Did I just shot him, I think? No, I don't have to kick my best. No, it's not my best. Is it best? No, we're gonna go vote. We're gonna go vote for Secret Soldier. Okay, now let's try to find one singular hacker in free mode. Free mode, okay? Free mode. Fair mode. Free mode. Okay. We're going on base 01. Base 01, not base. Oh. Hello? What's that? My freaking camera doesn't shoot. Okay, I don't want to press my settings. There we go. I don't want to press it, okay? Oh, go. Okay. Make it fair. Kill him too. You killed him too. Yeah, bro, we killed ourselves. Are they going to kill me? Yeah. Okay. Wait, so if we get to shoot him close, it doesn't affect, but him, nah. Beep. Like this. That's peaceful. There we go, finally. Where? What did I even do to you? No scope. Oh my gosh. No scope. Okay. No scope. I'm gonna kill the big boy. Whatever big boy. I killed him. Kill him. Okay. No, kill him. Perfectivo. So, if you're so small, then why don't you be? Yep. He is too small and I can hit him. It is just my skill. So, anyways, now I'm back to my normal avatar. Let's go to my saves. Wait. Oh, loaded. And you remember the chicken sniper? Well, I heard the game has another one, which I'm totally fine. Well, he made it first than me. So first, if you wanna pick like a portal, if you wanna go back, if you wanna go straight to a freaking helicopter, left or right. I'll let you guys answer that one. Oh, shoot. That's the smallest telephone. Ooh. Oh. If I pick this portal, will I go to the lava? If I pick this, will I go to the lava? I don't know. It's my save. I will let you guys answer it. Oh. And I'm here. Oh, shoot. Those two portals there. I can't freaking see it because of this thing. You know what? Okay. No, it doesn't work either. Those two portals right there. Those are the ones. Those portals are the ones who lead to lava. Boo! 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 Oh! Boo! Helicopter. There are two helicopters by the way. We land in the small person. Hey! Let's practice my aiming. One singular person. He's the most ever known to man. That is no. You cannot see it. Never exists. Okay, now. Oh, stop. Yeah, I did. Well, why am I doing this? No scope. This is the most. Oh, no scope. Okay, we're making an elite squad server for no reason. If I feel like it, I want to get a coin. Map chicken. Okay, let's go. Go team. Oh shit! Oh my god. Back. You told them. Oh. Bro, you took mine. Oh. I keep running. Is that me? I'm doing there. Also, we did it! After a long time, we did it! My XP? 150! Wow, 50! And I'm level 58. I'm the most strongest person. I'm joking. Anyways, guys, that was it. If you want more, there's a bonus video.